college has opened an office for the student small business support specialists who have assisted nearly 500 local entrepreneurs in bouncing back post-COVID through a collaboration with the Bergen County Business Resource Network. In recognition of the program's growth and to provide additional support for the students, Bergen County Executive James J. Tedesco III and Bergen County Commissioners Mary Amoroso, Jermaine Ortiz, and Thomas Sullivan joined President Eric M. Friedman October 20th to open the office.
This office is not only going to help the students that come here, but it's going to make a difference in the lives of the business owners that take advantage of this program. It's a game changer for them.
I'm so grateful that our Bergen County government partners have embraced this wonderful opportunity. It fosters economic development, it fosters small business recovery, and it enables small business growth.
The event coincided with Women's Entrepreneurship Week, which helped influence the day's activities as well, with Commissioner Amoroso leading a panel discussion on women in entrepreneurship. Support specialist Janae Romero has found inspiration.
During that time, I've had the opportunity to deal with various small businesses and assist them with things like creating Google business profiles, walking them through the Size Up tool, creating social media posts, and designing flyers and logos. These experiences not only helped me grow as an individual, but they helped me and inspired me to create my own small business.
As Bergen celebrates the diversity that defines its inclusive campus environment, Hispanic heritage went front and center in October. Among the many events, organizers hosted activities such as painting and a Kahoot challenge on Frida Kahlo, and a keynote address with Dr. Yvonne Diaz-Clace, who founded HISPA, an organization that aims to inspire Latino students to embrace education.
I want the students to know that the future is in their hands and that the future of the United States depends on them. By 2036, 1 in 3 students in our public schools will be of Latino heritage, and they need role models to follow, and the students here are the role models for them.
You may think deep dish and thin crust have little to do with effective governance at a college, but you may want to hold the anchovies, or thoughts, as President Friedman explains.
Participatory governance means exactly that. People participating, faculty, staff, most importantly, the students. So this is a way in which, yes, I provide updates, but most importantly, students have an opportunity to reflect on our practices, policies, to actually suggest policy, to ask questions. This is a really important part of how a college does participatory governance.
Other methods of shared governance at Bergen include the Town Hall, All-College Forum, and Faculty Senate. In memory of departed Professor Robert Neil Ender, and in recognition of his family's legacy of philanthropy in his memory, the college has renamed its Math and Science Walk-In Center in his honor. The Bergen Community College Foundation sponsored a dedication event October 20th to celebrate the facility's rechristening. 12 members of the Ender family, including family matriarch Joan Ann, attended the ceremony. Their son, Robert, spoke.
Having what you said had started as a regular tutoring center, now have the walk-in, I think just opens up the opportunity for so many people, because there's no excuse. You can't hesitate and say, I'll go home and figure it out. And you sit there and you stare at your book and say, I can't figure it out. There's ample opportunity. And I think that's what's great. What Bergen has done is now presented themselves with this wonderful walk-in center.
Professor Ender, who taught math, computer science, and served as president of both the Faculty Senate and Faculty Association, passed away in 2002 at 68 years old. The Math and Science Walk-In Center represents the second facility named in his honor. Shortly after his passing, faculty and staff led an effort to rename the institution's first building, East Hall, in his memory. It's open house season, and that meant Bergen welcomed prospective students and their parents to campus last month. With enrollment for winter and spring classes now open, students can officially register and begin or continue their education at the college. To register, visit bergen.edu. Time's up for now. We'll see you next month on Studio Bergen Remix.